let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance same waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And now let's look once again to same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with preparation step. We continue with natural turn with hesitation, also known as hesitation change. From here we dance progressive chasse to right, then outside change finished in promenade position. From here cross hesitation, man does 1 step, lady 3 steps, underturned outside spin, then reverse turn ending, and double reverse spin. Very good. Let's look once again. We take close hold and start with preparation step, which we move diagonally to wall. In same direction we start natural turn with hesitation first bar, second bar down line of dance into corner. From here progressive chasse to right, moving diagonally to center. In same direction outside change to promenade and cross hesitation. Now underturned outside spin. We continue diagonally to center with reverse turn ending and double reverse spin down line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.